Hey there, welcome back. In the previous tutorials we have done so far, looks here, we have created new section trending collection, and today we are going to add a section like this one. This is very impressive section. Okay, to create a section like this one, go to our home page, click on the edit with Elementor. Scroll down, click on the add new section, and our section will be 2 column. You can select this one. Okay, then we will add a title and paragraph. We can copy it from here, copy, and paste it in here. Looks so simple. Then update the text, then update the text description, our product are built with SEO. Okay, then we have to change the direction. Looks good. Also we are going to show separator in the top, and change the separator color. Separator color will be, let me change with Shopify hover color. Okay, we are going to change the separator color with this separator color. Looks good. Okay, then we'll add an image in here. Okay, we can use a business image, business meeting image. For now we are going to add an image in here, image, upload this image, select. Looks good. Also we are going to add padding in here, padding top 50, padding bottom 50. Then we'll add this text. Okay, and here we are going to add icon list. Looks here. Okay, then we'll add all the text in here. One click installation, perfect. Then one click update, then SEO ready product. Okay, built for speed. Okay, HD video tutorials, good. Premium support. Okay, conversion focused. Instant access, money back policy. Looks good. Now we have to change the color of this icon, so we're going to work on there. First we are going to change the color of this icon, size looks good. Then we have to change work on the typography. Signica, font family, font size, line height. Okay, so we no need any line height in here. Icon, gap looks good. Also you can change the icon from here. We can change any icon based on our requirement. Looks good. We can add a button in here. For example, you can add a button from coffee, paste it in here, change the button background color. Looks good. And make it center. Remove the border radius, or you can make border radius 5 pixel. Okay, looks good, perfect. Okay, so I hope you understand how we have designed this section. It's super easy to draw by anyone without any coding. So thank you for your time to joining this class and stay connected in this class. We hope you will continue the upcoming class also, and you have learned everything so easily. Have a nice day. See you there. Bye bye.